We're at the World of Concrete trade show, Bosch booth, and they just came out with a new thermal imaging camera. We're with Brandon. Tell us a little bit about it.
So this is our new GHT600C launching in February. It's an upgrade from our GHT400C. Basically what we did was we took the thermal range was 75 to, or 14 to 750. Now it's -4 to just over 1100 degrees. Wow. So really maximizing what you can see with this.
And what are we looking at in the camera here?
So you can see where you're measuring, you get the thermal point, but you also get high and low points. So you can start to see if there's leaks. So you know exactly where to tune into.
Okay.
The other really nice feature here is you can do voice memos. You obviously can't write while you're taking a thermal image, so you can do a voice memo and upload that with your image to all your files.
That's awesome. What's a price point on something like this?
This one's right around 1700. Again, it's launching in February.
And a 12 volt comes as a kit in a protective box.
Correct.
Awesome. Thank you so much for showing us that.
Yeah, thank you guys.